Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about how you can add the sub-report in the paginated report of Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So sub-report is really helpful if you want to drill down some information from the master view to the detail view. For an example like this is the category view, and inside to that, if you want to expand the subcategories over there, you can just click here. It will give the list of subcategories here. For example, here the clothing, it will give all the subcategories available here. In order to do this, first of all, you have to create the sub-report. So this is the one. I have created a sub-report, and how you can create the report. That's a regular basis. I have made a video about that, so I don't want to explain it here. You can just check the report, the link given on top of your screen. Now here, the dataset I added here, all this report here, and from that I added just one table here, and inside to that I added only one column here. And if you notice, I added one more parameter here, that is the category. You can create a parameter like this. You can just click here and then right click, add parameter. It will open up like this one. So right click here and then parameter properties. You need to give the parameter a name, and this is the prompt name to which user will notify this. And you have to select the data type here, whether it is boolean, text, datetime, float or integer, as I need this the integer. And allow blank values, you want to allow, or allow null values, and take it here. Allow multiple values also you can pass here. So for now I'm just going to pass only one value, and then select parameter visibility. So it is visible, hidden or internal. So visible means it will be visible for the end user. They have to enter the parameter. Hidden will be the hidden from the user, and internal is inside to that report. And here the available values, you can select here if it is the preset values are there. You can also assign the default values, and in advanced you can have this option to refresh automatically or refresh always or never refresh. So click here, and then in the table I will just right click here and table properties. Here you have this filter option. In that you just click add here, and you need to select the expression, that is the column name. So I'm going to filter the main category, right? So that's the product category key here, and that is the integer. It has taken automatically, and the operator here is equal to, is not equal to, like. So here I'm going to use the equal to option, and in the value parameter you can just click here the function, and then you have this option like parameters. So parameters, double click here so that it will add up on the top, and then click OK. This is how it has added here. Once it is done, you save this report and publish this into your PowerBI service. Once it is done, open up the main report. So that is this one, this one. So here what I have done here, I have just added one more column beside to that, and then insert from the ribbon, and you have this option subreport. For now I'm going to add just an example. Right click here inside columns to the right, and click this subreport from the top ribbon, and you can paste it here. Once it is done, to rename this column subcategory 2. So here you can right click this one and subreport properties. You can give this name here and use this report as a subreport is there, right? So click on the browse here. It will open up only the premium workspace options here, and you can select the subreport here. So this is the one subreport, adventure work subreport. Click OK. And then omit borders on the page break, yes or no. And the visibility, it should always show or it should hide or based on the expression. For now, I'm going to click on the hide by default, and display can be toggled by the report item here. Whenever user click on any of this one, then it has to expand, right? So here, the product category name is that. Subcategory head, English product category name. So this is the one. Whenever user click on here, it will expand that subcategory. And you go here to the parameters, you can add here to link the main report to the sub report. So click here. The parameter category key here is from the sub report, which we have created just before. And here the value to link here is the product category key here, because both of them are integer, so we have to make these two link between these two. And the next thing is the borders, nothing we need here, and then click OK. Now if you run this report, as the sub report is not saved with the username and password, so initially you have to give that username and password here. I'm going to give this name. It's a one time, it will save up in its memory. So here if I expand the bikes here, it will going to expand the bikes here. And if I expand the clothing and then category, components, it will expand everything here. So if I design view again, and if I click here, so this is the text box 2, right? So right click here, the subreport, properties, and here in the visibility options, instead of this one, I'm going to select the text box 2. So click OK now, and home, and then run. So we will get this plus sign here on top of the subcategory 2. So just click here, it will open up all the subcategories with respect to this category here. This is how you can use the toggle options in the paginated report. Now here I'm going to save and then publish it into a Power BI service. Save as Power BI service, and this is category subcategory report. So save here and then yes. So go to Power BI service. Just refresh this report because it's already open up here. So if you notice this one, we got these options. If I click here, then it will expand all the subcategories here. So using the subcategory is just a powerful features in Power BI Paginated report. So we explained this into detail about this one, how you can create the sub-report in the paginated report. So if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.